this is the winner of the day here on Forex Trendy 5-minute chart day training episode. Watch the video until the end because I'm going to show you my trick to select the best signals and to pick the best trades available on the Forex market. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another Forex Trendy episode. Today I'm going to show you the winners and the losers of the day on the 5-minute chart. I am a day trader, so I use this online tool a lot and I know how it works. If you want to use it, you can click on the link below in the description. But before starting, subscribe to my channel and enable notification because I'm going to upload more content day by day. So as usual, before starting my review, I always advise you to have a strategy when trading the Forex market or trading other markets too. Okay, so it's mandatory to have a strategy because you cannot trade blindly and take all the signals, because this way you're gonna lose money. Okay. This is a business, this is a real job, so you must take it seriously. So, but let's suppose you don't have a strategy. I'm going to show you my little big trick to recognize a good signal and discard a bad signal. Okay, so if you want to use this tool, once you sign up, you're gonna receive weekly emails and an ebook where they explain you how to use it at its best. But okay, let's start. So the first trade of the day was the British pound and the Japan yen. We have a rising wedge sell signal break at 30.73. So as you can see here, my trick is always to look at the price action. Okay, I'm going to show you on my broker chart. Yeah, we are on the British pound and the Japan yen, and as you can see, the price action, okay, it's clear because we have this very strong bearish impulse here, and then the pattern forming. Okay, this is the first thing you should look at. Looking at price action is the key to select a good signal and discard a bad one. Okay, I'm gonna show you a bad signal so you can spot the difference, and I hope it's gonna help you a lot in choosing the right signal. This is the way I trade, so you can build your strategies with your rules, only backtesting the market. Okay, if you backtest the market, you're gonna find more answers to your questions. Okay, so as you can see, this trade was profitable because after the breakout here at 130.80, the price reached the 130.20. So at least 60 pips profit. Okay, you can use Fibonacci if you wanna. If you are using Fibonacci targets, if you set your targets using Fibonacci, so, but you will find the Fibonacci. Where is it? You will find the Fibonacci suggestion just below here if you don't know how to use the tool on your trading platform. Okay, so this is my secret to use it correctly. So let's jump to the previous trade that wasn't showing up before. I don't know why. As you can see, you can really spot the difference between the previous one and this last one, the euro and the New Zealand dollar. We have a flag buy signal break at 80.60, where, as you can spot from this chart, the price action is pretty choppy or range bound. We have range bound. Okay, the market is ranging, so there is not a clear trend. According to my rules and trading fundamentals, price action analysis, especially when trading continuation pattern, this is a bad signal. Okay, you should discard this signal. Then if you build a strategy for ranging markets, it's another topic. But when you are trading continuation pattern like a flag, this is not the right spot to open a position. Okay, there is no clear uptrend, so the signal is not good. Let's jump to the Euro USD, another very good example where you can learn a lot. We have a rising wedge sell signal break 0818. As you can see from the chart, we have a very strong downtrend. Just looking at the price action, and the price went down, reaching the 0776 level. So we had a very nice trade here with a few obstacles on the way, and then the double bottom formed and price reversed, going up again, retesting the 0810 level. Okay, so let's jump to the British pound and the USD. We have a flag sell signal break at 22.25. This trade was a good one because the price reached the 22.03 for a nice 20 pips profit, and then the price encountered some. We had a little fight here around this 22.09 level, and then the price fell down, reaching the 21.83 level. Okay, so there was enough space to rake some profit. Let's jump to the British pound, New Zealand dollar. So for me, this is a very limit situation because this pattern is forming from this bottom here. So the uptrend is not very clear. Looking at this chart, okay, because if you're gonna open it on a chart service, then the picture will look better. But for me, it's not a very reliable signal because we don't have a clear uptrend on the left side of the chart. Many of you can argue with me here, telling that the price then jumped and reached the 0464 level, but for me, according to my rules, was a limit situation. Okay, I could put a take profit just below these tops here, but this is just my rule. In fact, the price reached this 0465 level and then reversed. Okay, so it went above the previous top here at 0442. But this was a risky one, okay, for aggressive traders, of course. Let's jump to Australian dollar and the Canadian. Price action at the end of the game looks not so bad because we had this double top. Okay, if you don't consider this spike here with with low highs, and then the price just fell down, reaching the 0959, and this flag. This was another limit situation, a tradable one, of course, but we need to be more cautious here. Okay, so we should look for a very good build up, and the price broke through the line first year 1972, but was not a good entry in my opinion, looking at the price action here on the left, and then reached the previous highs here in 1984 and then went back down, okay, reaching the 9045 level. So limit situation, this is why you should have a strategy, okay, because you're gonna know how to behave, and you will have rules for every scenario, okay. So yes, we can say that this was a very good this was a profitable trade, but we should be very cautious here because it's a limit situation, at least for a conservative trader, okay. For aggressive guys, and then this is not a problem, of course. But remember that first market can be very very tough, very can be nasty, okay. So let's jump to the British pound and Australian dollar. Another limit situation because the uptrend doesn't look so clear here on the left side of the chart. In fact, the breakout here at 89.64 wasn't followed by a strong bull answer. Okay, the bulls didn't answer strong here at the first break. The price retested this level at 89.44, okay, and then bounced and reached this 90.07 level. So for me, according to my rules, it's not a very good signal. If you want to trade this, always look at the left of the chart. Stay on watch, but this is a very risky one. Okay, it's up to you, to your strategies. Let's jump to Australian dollar and Swissy. We have a flag sell signal. Break at 62.61. Where are you? So another limit situation because the price action was not very good. Even though we have this strong resistance here above 62.78. Okay, the price bounced 4 times, or even more if you consider these spikes here. And then just drop down below, reaching the 62.46 level. Bulls came here pretty strong because as you can see here we have these big green candles attacking the 62.68 level, and then after the breakout we didn't have a strong bear response. Okay. After the breakout, in fact, the price went back up, retesting the 62.68 level previously tested 3 times, no more than 3 times. Okay, and then bounced down, reaching the 0.6238 level. So another limit situation. For the aggressive guys out there, aggressive ladies and gentlemen. Okay, I don't want to be, I don't want to exclude the ladies because we have ladies trading the forex market. Don't forget it. It's not a male business anymore. Okay, so but are welcome. But ladies are welcome on the market. We have pretty clever ladies out there making money on the forex market. So my greeting to the ladies watching this video. Nothing was a profitable trade, but this was one on the risky side for aggressive traders with a very very aggressive price action. Okay, at least on the bulls side. Okay, very strong fight here, but For me, I'm conservative. For me, it was not good. Okay, I want to show you the last trade. So this is the last example. As you can see, this chart, this price action is not clear. We have a ranging market. We don't have a strong uptrend, so discard this signal. Okay, you can argue with me that I shouldn't use Forex Trendy. No, I use it because it saves me a lot of time. Okay, I look at the price action like this, for example. I see a ranging market and I stay away from a signal like this. Easy. Okay, if you select according to price action, okay, and supposing that you have strategies in place, then it's gonna help you a lot. Forex Trendy is gonna help you a lot, okay? Because you this what is it? You discard this first trade, okay? You take this one, okay? Very clear price action, downtrend, strong downtrend, as shown previously. Okay, this was a profitable one. Okay, another profitable one here on the Euro USD, another one on the British Pound USD. So you have 3 trades in profit. Okay, this was a tricky one. Okay, for aggressive traders. So stay away from this if you are a conservative one. Okay, you take this, but on the cautious side. Okay. Let's suppose you take this one. It was a limit trade, but a limit situation, okay. But a profitable one, okay. You discard this, for example, so you stay away from troubles. You stay away from troubles too here, okay. Or if you're aggressive, you go in another profitable trade. You discard this one. So at the end of the day, you have 3-4 trades, very good trades, okay. Bringing home a lot of pips, at least 100 pips. I didn't count them, but profits have been made on these charts. We didn't take a look at the first chart, okay. The New Zealand dollar and the USD, we have a rising wedge sell signal. This is the first time I look at this chart, okay. Break at 59.90. So the price action looks pretty good, okay, at least from the chart. So this trade deserves a shot according to my rules, even though we have dojis here. So with a little zone of compression. So I expect something to happen after a little compression. Then the price retested this level around 60.04 and then went back down here at 59.69. So 21 pips more or less of profit. If you stay in the game and let the trade go, then it's up to your strategies, because the price then bounced back up, testing this level between 59.92 and 96, okay, close to the 0 level. It bounced back on this resistance here and then went down, reaching the 59.59 level. Okay, so it's up to you and your strategies, guys. So if you want to use Forex Trendy, you will find a link below in the description. Subscribe to my channel. For today is everything. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. And nothing, stay tuned because I'm gonna upload more content. Have a good trading day, everybody. Bye bye.